Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, again, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you guys are new here, my name is Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys. I'm recently kind of getting into shorts with everything, but yeah, so follow me on all my socials if you guys want to keep up to date with me. So in today's video, as you guys can see by the title, it's a Rich Flower Lashes unboxing for you guys. Yeah, if you guys want to know what's in this unboxing, then please keep watching. If you guys don't know about Rich Flower Lashes, they are three amazing women, Black owned lash company, which is amazing. It's Rachel, Grace, and Miriam. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with the lashes. I will leave a video linked up here, I think, prom grad makeup look. They're on my Instagram, so make sure you guys go follow me there. Probably by the time you see this video, there'll probably be a reel of me using their lashes. Their lashes, there's so many lashes. They, you know, they have mink, they have elegance, enchantment, exotic, exquisite, like they have like 10 lashes per category. And so now again with lashes, they might not feel comfortable, or they may not, they'll feel intimidating for people who never wear lashes, which again, I totally understand. So they came out with Effortless Collection, and they came out with 5 lashes, which are so fun, fluffy, just enough to have lashes on where you still feel like it's just a little extra something to give to your lashes, which I'm like so excited about. I love them so much. They gave me like this little thank you card. I love them. I think I have a discount code. I think it's Leslie10. You save 10%. Make sure you guys use that. These are my lashes that I own from them. It's in Magnolia, which is this lash brand, which again is very thick, very, you know, intimidating to anybody who wants to wear them, but I love them. As you can see, I think I'm wearing not Sweet Pea, Peonies. This is Camellia, which is my other favorite lash brand, or lash name, lashes. And those are my favorites. These are mine. I reused them. I need to go back and buy them, but this was beyond like gorge. These lashes launch October 15th. Again, I will leave everything on the screen, link down below where you can find them, what they look like the links to, you know, what they kind of like, you know, all the things. Prior to the lashes, again, they all come in these beautiful boxes, which we all know, we all love. The name is here, so you don't know, so you don't lose the name. But as somebody who's a collector of lashes, they came out with a lash book. Like, oh my gosh. They came with a lash book, which holds 10 lashes. So we have a pair up here already. The importance of storage is very, very important. If you lose a case, this is really good to know, because you can actually like, you can even write the name on if you want and know that, oh, that's the lash brand. You know, if you lose the box, you know, you can write it on here. This is so great. I don't think it's necessarily great for travel, but it's great for like any makeup artist who wants to use lashes like here and then have a client like pick them out. That would be amazing. This should have came out like years ago when I started. But anyways, so the first lash, which we will show you. So this one is in Violet. It is, they're a little bit, they're very, like, you can't really see them. So you can't really see. I'm gonna do a close-up of them, all the things. I'll insert pictures for you guys. This one is Violet. They're super, super fluffy, really lightweight. They kind of start really light at the top and then they flutter out. This is perfect for anyone who's starting out. Like, I mean, even bridal, you can get away with wearing these. Again, when you do makeup for bridal or for photos, having lashes adds an extra something. I always like to encourage people to try lashes. Yes, they feel uncomfortable, but after a while, you'll just be like, they're not even there. They're so amazing to wear. But yeah, that's Violet. And then the next one is Honeysuckle. These ones are a little bit more straightforward. These ones I can kind of compare to as if you're getting lash extensions, if I'm being honest. These kind of look like it. Super light and fluffy. Again, these ones are probably gonna be my favorite that I'm gonna like gravitate towards too. So these are Honeysuckle. Next one, these ones are really, really light. These are called Poppy. These ones are very, very minimal, very, very minimal for, again, perfect for anybody who wants to try them out. These are very, very minimal. And again, the lash band, by far, super comfortable, super flexible and stretchy. So that would be one of my favorites to try out as a person who's never had lashes in their whole life. That's what I would say. And then these ones are Dahlia. So these ones are a little bit like a mixture to me, I feel like they're a mixture of honeysuckle and violet. I just have to look at the names. And they're kind of like a mixture. It's light at the top, but it looks the same as the other one. Again, I will insert pictures, but I'll try to do my best for you guys to see it. I don't want to like do this because then it gets dark and then we get the lighting all weird. You know, it's a weird day. And then the last pair is Marigold. And this one is like really, really cool. It has a few, again, I don't know if it's like a mixture of poppy. It's like a little bit thicker than poppy. I don't know. I really like them all. Again, they're all different. They're all relatively similar, but they're all different. Like it's all like, it depends on, I don't know, I guess the look that you're trying to create, but yeah. So those are the lashes. That's the end of this video. I just wanted to unbox and let you guys know that these lashes, again, launch October 15th. If you are a striving makeup artist, if you're a makeup artist in general, you need to have these lashes in your collection. And again, this makeup book comes in handy to store your lashes, even if you want this for yourself to store. But again, this is perfect for clients to look at and see, oh my gosh, you have so many different lashes, all the things, and then you can use that. Thank you so much. Well, I've been talking to Miriam, but thank you so much to the lovely family that you guys are. Again, make sure you guys go check them out. They're local here in Winnipeg. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and we'll see you guys in my next video.